Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're playing something not usual. Subway Surfers to see how good I am. Okay. So let's see how good I am. And let's check if we can hit no, not events. Oh yeah. Yeah, guys. If we can hit to the champion. Where's the champion again? I have no idea what to do. I'll tell you when okay. Oh, guys, I don't actually live in United Kingdom. I played this game when I was very young, so yeah, I'm not from United Kingdom. So I still have to go from here. I have to go to where, and then I'm almost in the champion. So today we're gonna be trying to get to the champion, and yeah. So let's go. Oh my God, go! Bro, I was about to do it. Okay. Go. Boom, yay. Whoa, yes. Okay, boom. And boom. And boom, and boom, and boom. Okay. Boom. Oh my God, I hate whenever, bruh. I hate ads. Bro, what's wrong with ads? Why did bro? Oh, okay, I can. Okay, good. You know, I should just turn my Wi-Fi off, bro. Let's do this. What is that? Boom, shakalaka, boom. Okay, I literally landed on that one, so yeah. Yay, my favorite. Boom. Yeah. Oh my God, I love the new update too. In this game, it's like so cool. Give me all the coins. No! Oh my God. Wait, let's see my top score. Oh my God, I'm just in this one. Oh, I should get to Cosmos. What the? I should get to, I have no idea how to pronounce her name, but I'm trying to get to her because I like her outfit, so yeah. Go. Oh my God. If I die, I'm gonna rage quit because I need to get to Kunza, whatever her name is. Boom. Oh yeah, also this game does not need Wi-Fi, so I love when games don't need Wi-Fi. Like I always play this game whenever I have no Wi-Fi connection. Cause like whenever I'm in a car ride, I'm going like somewhere far, like for a field, like a vacation. I would mostly like play this game because like I can get bored easily. Roblox, no connection. Oh, you guys remember when Roblox was down? That was like everybody had to play Minecraft. Boom. Boom, I'm actually getting, no! When I said I was about to get scared. Ooh, free. No. What is this ad? Bro, please don't say where I live. Because this will make me mad. This ad will make me like, bro, close video. Okay. No, what did I click on? Bro, what did I click on? What is that? What is that circle? Bro, what is, the wheels are weird. Who's Harry? Maybe Harry MM2. Mobile player. Boom. Easy. So easy. One day I actually want to challenge him. because I'm also a mobile player. Which say me, guy. Yeah, I'm sure I heard everybody say me. So yeah, thank you. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. I'm amazing at this game. Okay. Oh, I need to get that. Yay! Okay, let's go. Wee. This is so fun. Literally. That's actually so cool. Oh, the last time I was in that top run, I died. Okay, high score. I'm in high score right now. With my skills. Whoa, that was a mega jump, to be honest. No, I'm gonna watch ad. Bro, Messi. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of Messi, but I like soccer. Oh my god, this is why I wish. What the hell? Okay, bro, why your hands are so big?
Kenzie.
Yeah, what?
Here are your options. You have Osmos shawarma poutine, Popeyes, or chicken nugget.
I mean, poutine?
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
It's not the one that we usually get.
I know. Okay. Yeah, that's just my brother. Oh my god, this is a friend. Just don't mind him. He always ruins my videos. So that's why I have to restart. But today I'm not restarting. No! Don't tell me I have to watch another. Yes, I forgot I even had one. Okay. Boom. I wasn't even touching anything. Boom, I literally won. Okay. Oh, I'm in my high score. Turkey. Oh my god. Oh, okay, let's open this up. Yay, I'm going to be rich. I'm actually going to get a new avatar. Oopsies, let's pause the game actually. Oh, wait, I wasn't actually in my real one? Okay. Okay. Still want to be in Bro, what's Thursday? Thursday, somebody's gonna be Thursday. Okay, this actually, I really like this avatar. Yeah. So I'm actually hoping I'll get this crew bonus. What is a crew bonus? Okay, so yeah. Play event. I'm actually gonna go shopping. Yeah, I'm finished shopping. Nothing very interesting here. Okay. Boom. Yeah. Why did I do that? Get out, you ad. We don't care about ads, right? Oh, they want me to lose. Don't make me lose. Oh, this is fun. This is actually fun. Let me get out of here. Okay, good. Oh, fine. Bro, I still have to wait for the mystery box. Ugh. Boom. Yes. Go, go, go. Boom. Oh my god, why do I never pay attention? So, yeah, that's it for today's video. Tell me if I can play more. And I'll go ahead and play some Roblox. Like and subscribe because I need more. I'm going to start. Because I know I got Robux. And I did not get a group because I knew nobody would get on the group. So, yeah. Make a subscribe and I'll make a group.